was given this to turn into another style. I have successfully loosened the hair, so she wants me to make it into this. Let's see how it goes. So what I will do first is to immerse this one in hot water to straighten it. This is the result after immersing it inside hot water to give us to stretch it out. After sectioning it, I now braid each section with black attachment because she wanted the braids to be black, so I braided it halfway before starting to make the fox locks. At the end of the braiding, make sure you tie it, just as you can see on the screen. Tie it to prevent it from loosening before starting the fox locks. At this stage, I needed a passion twist to make my fox locks. So what I did was to use the bending rollers and attachment. After coiling it around the bending rollers, what I did was to immerse it inside hot water. I immerse it inside hot water for some time, then allow it to dry. And this is the result of the dried passion twist I made. I'm going to loosen it. After loosening it, that is what I will use for my fox locks. You can actually you can divide it into several parts and use it one after the other. What I am doing now is plaiting the sectioned hair. After plaiting it for a while, I will now pass it over my thumb nail, just like so. I'll plait for a short while again and pass it over my thumb nails again. I will continue this way until I get to my desired length. This is how it looks like beautifully with apply locs. And this is the finished work. The client wants just 26 and this is it. Thank you so much for watching and please do subscribe, like and share this video. Bye.